Today we're going to show you how to apply the Ossur Cold Rush pads. When you receive your pad, you should receive a paper. This is a skin warning, and it serves as a reminder to never place the pad directly on your skin. You can use any barrier you want. You can use a piece of clothing. Just never apply the pad directly to your skin. Also, once you put your pad hooked up to your machine and add water to it, it is not returnable or exchangeable, so make sure you have the correct pad before you run water through it. Also, we sell freezer bags. These are an awesome way to keep that water nice and cold for as long as possible. These can be used in conjunction with the ice cubes, or they can take the place of ice cubes. You simply fill them, freeze them, add them to the cooler, and then add your water. And if you want to see how to properly use them, be sure and check out the video that we have included in the description box. Now, let's show you how to apply your Ossur Cold Rush pads.
Quick reminder, if you find the video helpful, please subscribe to our channel or think about giving us a like. It's a simple, free way to support us, and it helps us create content for you. Also, you can purchase the products featured in the video directly from our YouTube store. Now let's get back to the review.
Today we're going to show you how to apply the Ossur hip pad. Now keep in mind, for the Ossur system there is a right and a left hip pad, so make sure you're getting the correct one for whichever hip you're treating. Today we're going to apply the right side. So when you first get it, go ahead and take it out of the bag. And the nice thing about the Ossur pads is that they come with an instruction booklet. And there are some great pictures in here that show you how to apply each of the pads. So once you've gotten it out of the bag, you're going to want to go ahead and lay it out, because we do need to apply our straps before we put the pad on. The hip pads come with a long strap and also a shorter one. The long strap is going to go around the top part. That is going to go around your hip. And then the smaller strap, you're going to apply kind of down here at the bottom. So when you get your straps in place, should look something similar to this. Once you've got them in place, go ahead and apply it around your hip area. And you're going to want to bring around that long strap first. Bring it around and attach it until it's nice and secure. Then go ahead and take the smaller strap and bring it around, attach it right in the front. Once you've gotten it securely in place, it should look something similar to this. Then you're ready to go ahead and take your hose from the pad and attach it to the hose from the cooler and begin your therapy. Now that you know how to apply your Ossur Cold Rush pad, be sure to check out the next video where we show you how to use your Ossur Cold Rush system. And as we like to say around here, let's get back to living.